In this video, we're going to talk about organization structures that are available through Seesaw and different ways that you could possibly organize your class for your students. Before we begin, I want to just really highlight that organization structures are up to you. I can show you the features that are within this learning management system and what you can use, but really it's up to yourself as well as colleagues to decide the best way to organize materials, resources, activities, and other for your students. That way, they are used to common messaging, they're used to common layout, and it makes it best practice for them. So within Seesaw, really the organization structure they have built in are through some of their features. For example, the first organization structure that you can see are the different journals. Each student in your class will receive a student journal. Right now, I have a sample student, which they have in here so you can view what it looks like from a student end. Other students that you add, they will get their own journal as well, which means that you can add assignments, resources, videos, comments to individual students. To do so, I can go to the Add button and I can post student work. I could pick something to upload, let's say from my Google Drive. For example, I could upload this image. It will put it in here for me. I can add more photos if I like, but really I just want this one. I can push the check and I can pick which students this goes to. So I'm posting into their student journal. The next way to organize within Seesaw is with folders. You'll notice here that I have two folders created. I could always add another folder to help me organize. For example, I could have a science folder. I can pick a color, and then I could use this folder for this item. You'll notice it would put it in this folder, which means it gets pasted in their journal. And if it was a physical journal, I would think of this like a tab. The third method to organize are through skills. Skills are their form of grading within Seesaw. So what are your students learning? What are their criterion? What are their standards? Or what are their social emotional learning skills? So we could add a new skill here. So let's say this is reading. And actually I wanted this to be reading and science. I could give it a quick code. And so now I have a skill added. So I could say that this is also being associated with a skill. I'm just posting something in their journal. So a resource, a piece of work that they've done, a video submission from me to them, etc. So I have their folder, I have their skill. It's now being uploaded to this student. There we go. I could even go over here and look at the students' folders. And you'll notice that they have items already in their folder. Now you can have each student have different items in their journal based on the organization structures that are in place. You can do the same organization using the journal idea by going into the Activities tab. So if I go into Activities, I could add resources to individual students, to individual folders, and to individual skills. Which means that for organization purposes, I can hand pick which tab this goes into. So the organization within Seesaw is around their journal, having different folders created, assigning things to skills, and then deciding if it's posting work or if it's an activity. All of which gets posted into their journals for them to interact with. The nice thing is you can easily select between whose it goes to, the folder it goes into, as well as the skill. What are ways that you organize your learning management system? Please use the discussion post below to let us know what you do and have other participants comment on their thoughts.